Warm greetings on behalf of Department of Information Technology in this Third College of Engineering and Technology. I am Uma, Assistant Professor from Department of IT. We are going to have an insight about the introduction of machine learning and its use cases in this slide. Come, let us start. What is machine learning? Is it something like we are going to learn about a machine? Entirely not. It is all about how a machine is going to learn a concept. To be clear, it is a process of making a machine to think like a human. Actually, human can learn from the past experiences and machine will follow the instruction given by the human. But what will happen if a human trains a machine to learn from the past data? Obviously, the result will be very fast, accurate, and robust. So, this is the concept called machine learning. It is not just learning, but more about understanding and reasoning. Moving to the next slide, the definition of machine learning. According to Tom Mitchell, machine learning is a study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience. According to Arthur Samuel, the field of study that gives computers the capability to learn without being explicitly programmed is the definition for machine learning. Let us look into the basics of machine learning. Machine learning is a buzzword and a growing technology in the field of artificial intelligence which enables the computers to learn automatically from the past experiences. How it is possible to learn from the past data? If a machine is fed with the historical data, it uses various algorithms, building mathematical models and statistical models. Through that, it makes prediction to get the output. This is what the basic concept behind the machine learning. Let us see how a machine learning system is going to work. Now, let us look into the training and testing phase of a machine learning. A machine learning system will consist of two phases. One is said to be the training phase and the next is said to be the testing phase. During the training phase, I will train the machine with the help of the data set. Look into the example here. I have various images of car. The labeled features of this car may be number of wheel, color, height, width, dimension, number of doors, etc. Based upon these labeled features, the machine will get trained. This is said to be the training phase. Coming to the test phase, if I give a new image of a car, my system would able to predict that the image is whether a car or not. This is said to be the two different phases of any machine learning technique. Now let us look how it worked traditionally. It has four different steps. It learns from the historic data. It builds the prediction model. If a new data is given, it predicts the output. First, it will collect all the historical data and it learns about the data set. Based upon the data set, the machine will be trained with suitable algorithms and mathematical models. With the help of these algorithms, the machine will build a logical solution, and if a new data or a test data is given to a machine, it would be able to predict the correct output. Machine learning is growing day by day in our daily life. We witness many examples of machine learning in our day-to-day life, like Google Map, Google Assistant, Alexa, and many more. Some of the use cases of machine learning are listed out here in this picture, like automatic language translation, medical diagnosis, stock marketing, online fraud detection, virtual personal assistant, email spam and malware filtering, self-driving cars, product recommendation, traffic prediction, speech recognition, and image recognition, and so on. This slide also shows few applications of machine learning like image and speech recognition, medical diagnosis, statistical arbitrage, learning associations. In addition to that, we are going to see something about classification, prediction, extraction, and regression. Let us see one by one in the upcoming slides. Image recognition is one of the most common application of machine learning. It is used to identify an object, person, place, or even a digital image. One of the popular use cases is automatic friend tagging suggestion. When you upload a photo of your friend in your Facebook, it automatically tags the information of your friend. This is one of the famous project of machine learning by Facebook named Deep Face. Next is the speech recognition. While using Google search, we could find an option called search by voice. This is also an application of machine learning where your voice is converted to text. As an example of this, we have lot of speech recognition techniques by Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. These are some of the special speech recognition technology to follow voice instruction. Medical diagnosis. This is one of the trending areas wherein machine learning plays a key role in solving diagnostic and prognostic problems in various medical domains. Basically, it is used for the prediction of disease progression, extraction of medical knowledge, and even for overall patient management in many of the hospitals. Finance and economic is one of the important fields of machine learning where it helps to predict the future trading. Statistical arbitrage is an automated trading involved with lot of security in machine learning. The major algorithm used for this application are linear regression, SVR that is support vector regression, PCA that is said to be principal component analysis. Next comes the learning association, or it is also said to be product recommendation using machine learning. This is used by various e-commerce sites and entertainment sites like Amazon, Netflix, etc. For example, you might have noticed if you buy a product through Amazon, it will automatically suggest us with a new product or other related products to buy. This is done with the help of associativity rules between the product features. This is also a kind of machine learning technique that we see in our day-to-day life. Classification is a process of separating the data into multiple categorical classes, said to be discrete values. The data is categorized under different labels according to some parameters. For example, if you have a basket full of fruits consists of apple and orange, based upon the features of the fruit, it will categorize into two different groups like group 1 as apple, group 2 as orange. This is said to be classification. Prediction is similar to classification. In this, the trained data set is applied on a new data to predict the outcome from the trained model. Extraction is something about getting the structured information from the unstructured data, like mining the web pages, blogs, emails, etc. Regression, it identifies the correlation between the variables and predict the output as a continuous variable. It is a kind of supervised technique. It is mainly used in the field of prediction, forecasting, time series modeling, and determining the causal effect relationship between variables. It is majorly used in predicting the price of house based on the size, interiors of the house, and other facilities, etc. Hope you have understood some basic concepts of machine learning and it might be useful for you all. Thank you for your listening.